know we walked this far, did you?
Dang. Hey, what
This
side?
size.
Michael and G used to live down here.
Mom, did you know that I got spiked?
You're whistling. Why'd you whistle?
They don't even know this is here. Do we want to walk around or want to go back to the trail?
Yeah, let's go back. They're probably coming back, but you're gonna come back.
I got spiked. Want to see?
So Pete could actually park at his parents' house
That's
and
a
walk
hot
to our
dog.
underwear.
Stupid.
He wouldn't do that anyway. You can't walk through the wet.
He'd be crying all the way here. I'm not trying to be mean, but that's the reality.
I only have like 2 more months to go without talking to him.
I got spiked.
Yeah, she did.
I got spiked right there.
She got, like, look at her skin's cut off.
But there's a hook though.
Dang.
There's a hook. You get it right here. How you got spiked in the back?
Vincent. Vincent. Vinny, put the stick down. I didn't know this came all the way up here.
I know, it is fucking cool.
That is awesome. We should take the kids here on Halloween. That'll be fun.